If you're looking for whole house ultrafiltration systems for well water, there are a few key things you need to understand so you get the right setup the first time. Hey, this is Gerry from Clean Water Store. Today I'm going to walk you through how ultrafiltration, or UF, works and what to look for in a whole house system for well water. Ultrafiltration works using a hollow fiber membrane. Water passes through the very tiny pores in the membrane, which physically block particles, bacteria, and very fine sediment. And the ones we use have a pore size of 0.015 microns, which is small enough to remove bacteria and very fine particles while still allowing a good flow for a whole house system. The best setup is an automatic system. So the ones we use have a control valve that backwashes once a day for a few minutes, which flushes out the buildup and keeps the membrane clean. And also we have non-electric versions where you can manually go over and just turn a knob and back flush it. So their system is very simple and reliable. But either or, if you get the manual one, just know you usually once a night for a few minutes is the best way to go if you're using the water during the day. And the other thing with UF systems is pre-filtration. At a minimum, you want a 5 micron filter ahead of the membrane. Like say a big blue type filter works good, like a 20-inch big blue filter, where the cartridges are 4.5 inch by 20 inches long. That's a pretty common setup before a UF system. And sometimes you want a staged approach, depends on the water. But you start out with a spin down filter. These are like filter screens where there's not cartridges to change. Basically, you just open up a little valve at the bottom and flush out any sediment it collects. And then after the spin down filter, which again is just mesh, it's like a window screen almost, or finer. Then you follow that with a cartridge filter, such as a 50 micron pleated, or better yet, a 25:1 dual grade filter. So that's what we recommend ahead of the UF system. This protects the membrane and dramatically extends the life of the membrane. It's also important to understand what UF does not remove. So it doesn't remove iron, doesn't remove manganese, hardness, doesn't take out hydrogen sulfide or salts. So the ultrafiltration should be last stage in your filtration setup. And many folks also add a UV sterilizer after the end of the UF. UV works best when the water is very clear anyway, and ultrafiltration provides that clarity. So it's a really great combination. The UV will inactivate any remaining bacteria and help prevent biofilm from forming in your pipes. The key to getting the best UF system is matching the system to your water and your flow requirements. So start with a good water test, set up proper pre-filtration, and size the system correctly for your home. And if you'd like help designing the right ultrafiltration system for your well water, just go to our website, fill out our water test quiz. One of our water treatment technicians will review your results and help you design the best system for your home. And thanks for watching.